If you own a LifeWave X2O water system, there is an important warranty decision you need to make during your first year of ownership. Every new X2O includes a 1 year limited warranty, and LifeWave X2O customer support has confirmed to me that an additional 4 year extended warranty is currently available for $400. And this option must be purchased before your personal first year deadline. Today, I'll explain exactly what customer support told me, including when the additional coverage begins, what documentation you receive, whether the warranty can be transferred, and whether any additional exclusions apply. I'll also cover several important steps that can help X2O owners protect their warranty coverage. Hello, everyone. I'm Gretchen, and I've been a LifeWave brand partner since 2011. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, this information is especially important for current X2O owners, but it may also be helpful for anyone considering purchasing the X2O water machine. I recently contacted LifeWave X2O customer support with several specific questions about the optional extended warranty. They responded to me in writing. So today I'm going to share their answers along with some important information about the original limited warranty. Now, every new X2O machine comes with an included 1 year limited customer product warranty. The written warranty states that coverage begins on the day the machine is delivered to you. It covers qualifying defects in materials and workmanship. It also covers damage that occurs while the machine is initially being shipped from LifeWave to the original purchaser. For a qualifying warranty claim, LifeWave may choose to repair the product, replace the product or defective component, or refund the purchase price. Well, that decision is made by LifeWave according to the written warranty terms. LifeWave X2O customer support confirmed that owners may currently purchase 4 additional years of extended warranty coverage for $400. That means an eligible owner may have the included 1 year warranty followed by 4 additional years of coverage that provides up to 5 years of total coverage, subject to the warranty's terms and exclusions. Now, the extended warranty must be purchased during the first year of ownership and at least 1 day prior to the actual 1 year anniversary purchase date, not to the delivery date, but the purchase date of the machine. Now, here's a scoop. They said the extended warranty must be added within 365 days of the original X2O purchase by contacting LifeWave Customer Service. Note, this is not a purchase that is made through their website, at least not yet, or maybe never. I suggest confirming the purchase price for the extended warranty and exact terms directly with LifeWave Customer Support before purchasing it. So, say you purchased your machine on April 9th of 2026. Based on that date, customer service told me that a 4 year extended warranty must be purchased no later than April 8th of 2027. So your deadline will be based upon the purchase date LifeWave has associated with your own X2O water system. Again, not the delivery date. If you have any questions about your specific deadline, please contact customer support and ask them to confirm your exact deadline. I also asked when the additional 4 years begin, and customer support told me that the extended coverage begins immediately after the included 1 year warranty expires. That was not a surprise, but I was just wanted to get their input on that. And keep in mind that the extended warranty adds 4 more years after the original coverage period has ended. I strongly recommend not waiting until the final few days of your first year to purchase the extended warranty. I suggest you contact customer support several weeks or even several months before your deadline. That gives you time to confirm your purchase deadline, your eligibility, the current price, and the exact coverage dates for your machine. To ask questions or purchase the extended warranty, remember you need to call LifeWave Customer Service at 1-866-202-0065. So I specifically asked what documentation an owner receives after purchasing the extended warranty. And customer service explained that warranty information and documentation are available through the X2O Link Hub. They also told me that there is not currently a separate standard warranty document automatically sent following the extended warranty purchase. Because of that, I recommend saving your purchase confirmation, your payment receipt, any confirmation email, screenshots, or copies of relevant information from the X2O Link Hub, and any written correspondence you receive from LifeWave customer support. Just keep those records with your original X2O purchase document. I also asked if there were any notable shipping costs specifically associated with the additional 4-year warranty period. Customer service told me that there are no notable shipping costs associated specifically with the extended warranty coverage. In other words, the extended warranty does not introduce a separate new set of shipping fees or special shipping conditions. As with any warranty service, always contact LifeWave before returning your machine and follow the official service instructions. I also asked whether the 4-year extended warranty can be transferred to another owner, and customer service said yes. The extended warranty is transferable provided that a valid transfer of ownership process is completed. So there's some paperwork for that will need to be completed, but it's totally doable. And the remaining coverage continues according to the machine's original warranty dates. I asked whether the 4-year extension has any additional exclusions or conditions beyond those contained in the original written warranty, and they said no. They told me there are no additional exclusions or conditions beyond those outlined in the original warranty terms. That means the original warranty requirements continue to be extremely important during both the included first year and the extended 4-year period. Now, keep in mind, the original written warranty does not cover every possible problem. It excludes damage resulting from improper storage, improper use, failure to follow the product instructions, failure to follow the care and transport advisor, using water that is not approved, using unapproved filters, failure to complete required preventative maintenance, modifying the machine, unauthorized repairs, normal wear and tear, accidents, misuse, abuse, and other external events outside LifeWave's reasonable control. So replacement filters and other consumable components are also not covered under the main unit warranty. Using an approved type of water is an important warranty consideration. Approved water sources include municipal tap water, spring water, filtered water, distilled water, and approved deuterium depleted water. Do not place carbonated water, electrolyte powders, minerals, flavoring supplements, or other added ingredients inside the X2O reservoir. Only an approved plain water source should be placed inside the machine. Failure to follow that requirement could damage the unit and may affect warranty coverage. So owners should also follow all official maintenance instructions. Use only approved LifeWave replacement filters. Both filters generally require replacement every 6 months or sooner if the touchscreen indicates that replacement is needed. Actual filter life may depend upon water quality and usage. The filters must also be properly flushed before the machine's first use, after installing replacement filters, and after an extended period of inactivity. Clean the reservoir and removable components according to the official instructions. Do not use bleach, harsh cleaning chemicals, steel wool, scouring pads, or abrasive products. Transportation is another important warranty consideration. Once water has passed through this machine, do not casually ship or move it. Before relocating the X2O water machine, use the touchscreen's system drain function and completely drain the internal system. Keep the machine upright and properly secured during transportation. Improper transportation, failure to drain the internal system, or transporting the machine incorrectly could cause damage that may not be covered. So, also please keep the original X2O shipping box, foam inserts, packaging materials, components, accessories, and manuals. Do not throw them away, please. The original packaging may be needed if the machine must be returned for authorized warranty service. Replacement packaging may be available, but for a fee. So keeping the original materials may save you time, money, and unnecessary complications. Should your X2O ever require warranty service, do not ship it back before first contacting LifeWave Customer Service. You must obtain a return merchandise authorization number. They call it an RMA number before returning the machine. The written warranty states that warranty service will not be provided without an RMA number. The RMA number must also be clearly displayed on the outside of the package. Customer service will provide the proper return address and explain how to prepare, package, and return the machine. When contacting them, have your order number, your machine serial number, receipt information, and a clear description of the problem you're having with the machine. Now, the original warranty applies to X2O units purchased through an authorized LifeWave sales channel or authorized LifeWave brand partner. The written warranty states that it does not apply to transactions in which the machine was advertised or sold through an e-commerce platform such as Amazon or eBay. This is one reason purchasing through an authorized source is so important. A machine offered through an unauthorized seller may not include valid warranty protection, official service eligibility, or properly documented ownership. Now, the warranty and the return policy are two very different things. The X2O does not fall under the standard 90-day return policy that may apply to certain other LifeWave products. The X2O has its own return terms with different requirements for unopened, used, and defective machines. I encourage you to review the current X2O return policy before completing your purchase. So, should every X2O owner purchase this additional 4-year warranty? That's the big question. This is a personal financial decision. I'm not here to tell anyone that they must purchase it. The X2O is a significant investment, and some owners may feel that 4 additional years of coverage for $400 provides valuable peace of mind. Other owners may choose to rely upon the included 1-year warranty. The important thing is to know that the option exists and make your decision before your personal deadline has passed. You do not want to discover the extended warranty option after your first year of ownership has already ended. Personally, I plan to purchase this extended warranty as my anniversary purchase date rolls around in 2027. I plan to call customer service a few weeks before and have them process the transaction so I don't miss out on securing the 4-year extended warranty. If there were an issue with my X2O water system, I just wouldn't want anyone working on it except LifeWave, especially since this is such a unique technology. If you already own an X2O, here are 3 things to do today. First, locate your original receipt, order confirmation, delivery information. Second, contact customer service, ask them to verify your extended warranty purchase deadline. And third, place a calendar reminder well before that date. Do not wait until the final day. Save the LifeWave customer service phone number. It's 1-866-202-0065. You may also email customer service with your questions at customerservice@lifewave.com. Hey, I'm an independent LifeWave brand partner. I'm not LifeWave Customer Service, and I'm also not an attorney. This video summarizes information provided to me in writing by LifeWave Customer Support, information available through the X2O link hub, and information contained in the published limited warranty. Please verify the current $400 price on the extended warranty, your eligibility, your purchase deadline, your exact coverage dates, and the transfer requirements directly with LifeWave before purchasing the extended warranty. Hey, I hope this information helps you make a more informed decision and avoid missing an important deadline when it comes to the extended warranty for X2O. Please share this with any other X2O owners that you know, and let me know in the comments, would you purchase 4 additional years of warranty coverage for $400? I'm curious. If you already have a LifeWave brand partner, please continue working directly with that person. If you discovered the X2O online and do not currently have a LifeWave brand partner, you're welcome to contact me. I'm Gretchen Yui. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more practical X2O information and LifeWave updates. I'll see you in the next video.